verse 37, the 19th chapter of the Gospel of John. John is speaking as if an eyewitness to the events of the crucifixion. He gives details that would only be expected from one who was an eyewitness, and he notes here the remarkable events that he's observed give rise to a recognition that they represent some kind of fulfillment of what he knew was part of the Old Testament prediction regarding Messiah. He's already remarked with respect to not one bone of the crucified one was broken, which parallels Christ to the Old Testament Paschal Lamb. And then he remarks another one that is even somewhat more dramatic here, taken from Zechariah. So we have Kai, the connective, and Paulen. Paulen is an indeclinable adverb. It means again. Hetera, this is a demonstrative pronoun. It means another. So it's here used with graphe, so it's feminine. Accusative, so it's the object of the verb lege, lego, I say, third person singular, present active indicative. It says, the scripture, the subject says, another of the scriptures. So, and again, another scripture says, is the idea. Then quoting from Zechariah, we have opsontai. This is the deponent future of blepo, I see, or harao. Maybe more precisely, I see. Third person plural, future active indicative. They will see, or they will look upon. It's often rendered. Ace, the preposition, means into. Rather a surprising use of a preposition here. They will look into. Hone. Ace takes the accusative. This is the accusative relative pronoun. They will look into him who, or the one who, or whom. Then exakentesan. This is from ekenteo, contract verb. Means to pierce. It's based on a noun, which means actually something that's pierced or pricked. And so that's the term here. The X at the beginning adds a little bit of weight to it. So they will look on the one whom they have pierced, third person plural, aorist active indicative. Of course, that's a remarkable statement because the quote is from Zechariah, and the context in Zechariah makes it clear that the one that they're looking on is Yahweh himself. This is God, in a sense, declaring that they will look on the one whom they have pierced, and God will be that one. The Septuagint was aware of the rather striking sense of that and actually massaged the language somewhat in the way that it translated, but here John is going back to the Hebrew version and really leaves a rather stunning affirmation once again of deity here when he quotes in connection with the crucifixion of Christ a text which unambiguously is tied to a declaration by God himself.